I've got a Liftmaster garage door opener, and the remote control here, the wall control, has lost its mind. It's beeping away and the lights are flashing. Let's see if we can take a look at it and figure out what's wrong. Okay, I don't know how well you can see that, but there's a thermal image of it, and it's definitely got a hot spot there in the lower corner. Okay, so here's the Liftmaster control, and it says it is an 888LM, and basically, I guess we'll pull this paper backing off here. Let's see. And then to get the PC board out, just take these two screws out. And a couple of releases here, little tabs. And the PC board comes right out. So taking a closer look at this PC board in the area where the thermal camera showed we had a hot spot, shows that that super cap on the left hand side is bulging. And so let's proceed to pull both those caps and replace them with new super caps. Okay, so taking a closer look at this circuit board, you can see on these super caps, on both of them, the band is on the right hand side, and on an electrolytic and a super cap, that denotes the minus side of the capacitor. And you can see on the board there, on the one on the left, they got positive marks on the left. So we'll just make sure we get them back in with the right orientation. So what I did was, because the leads came out so far, I used the solder station and some solder wick to basically get the cap, enough solder out to get the cap out, and then I used the desoldering station to go in and suck the remaining solder out of the holes. So the original Vinta Tech super caps, those are made in Korea, and looks like they actually private label these for Liftmaster. But you can get these 1 farad 2.7 volt caps from Poi Lee on Amazon. Okay, there they are. They're in. They're soldered, both sides, and lead dressed. And now I'm going to go ahead and deflux them. Okay, so reassembly is basically going to be the same as disassembly, the opposite. And so we'll take the PC board, slip it back in there. That lines up like that. Goes there. Get our screws back in, just start them. Keep it from falling out. And now we'll go wire it up and see if it works. Okay, here we are, back in service. Opens the door. Stop. Close the door. No screaming, squawking, lights flashing. So the two caps, I think it's 5 caps for $6 or something like that. So certainly cheaper than buying a new control. Anyways, hope it helps. Good luck. Later.